In this video, we will explore submembers types. First, we'll go to the configuration section and click on submembers types. When the interface opens, we'll see the submember type manage screen. Any submember type we configure will be shown in a table here. Submember types help sort people even more specifically within larger groups. This sorting allows for better control and about making society management smoother and more effective. To add a new submember type, we will click on the Add Submember Type button. The form that appears will display this type of interface. In the first field, we select the member type. Then, in the next field, we enter the submember type. Following that, we select the status in the subsequent field, indicating whether we want to keep this submember type active or inactive. To submit the form, we click on the Save button. Once submitted, the submember type will be added to the table on the Manage screen, displaying 5 columns: serial number, member type, submember type, status, and action. If we wish to delete or edit a submember type, we can do so using the buttons provided in the Action column. If we set the status to inactive, the submember type will be added here, but will not be shown anywhere else in our system. Additionally, if we want to view submember types categorized by member type, we can do so on the Manage screen. There is a drop-down menu above the table where we can select the member type, then click on the Search button. This will display all the submember types related to the selected member type in the table below, which are configured against that member type.